Welcome back to another video. We've got a new car on the channel today. This is a 2023 Mark 8 Golf R in this beautiful Lapis blue. Now, before we jump into the mods list here, big shout out to the owner for allowing us to share both the dyno results and the mods list. So jumping right in, guys, this vehicle is running a built head and block built by Thomas. It has AN-6 lines from the fuel pump all the way to the rail. It's got a Precision Raceworks fuel rail for MPI, and that is running 1650cc injectors. Now on the low pressure side, it has a E5 LM fuel pump, and I believe those are rated for up to 1,000 horsepower. Now all of this fueling is to support a PAG Parts turbo. This is a SRX 800. Front mount intercooler is from DBV2. It has a Trackslag downpipe and BRP catback exhaust, so full exhaust from the turbo all the way to the exhaust tips. It's upgraded. It's got a electronic blow-off valve from Forge. Now this is a 6-speed and it is a stock transmission, but it does have a 4th gear support. It's got Wave Track LSD, and it is running a Stage 5 clutch from Ringer Racing and a CAE shifter. It is on lowering springs and it has a rear sway bar, and we've got some Apex wheels all around wrapped in RE71RS. So really nice goodies on this vehicle. Oh, and the most important thing, it is tuned by United Motorsports on full E85. Let's head over to the dyno and see how it does.
Still going up, so I'm going to rev it a little longer on the next one. Richard,
$640 to the wheels. That's crazy.
It is. You guys know that.
straight. It's fast, bro. It's fast. Woo! That's awesome, man. You really feel like the boost ramping up.
Yeah.
It's like this right here is just like on the street, right? But like when you're on the highway, your higher gears, higher RPM, you can kind of like